Samsung is about to change the smartphone game, again. Forget the Z Fold 7. This time the tech giant is preparing to unveil something even crazier. The Galaxy TriFold. Yes, you heard that right. A phone that folds not once but twice, giving you 3 panels that open up into a massive tablet-like screen. And if the leaks are real, this could easily be Samsung's most futuristic phone yet. But is it really worth the rumored $3,000 price tag? Let's break it down. So, what makes the Galaxy TriFold so special? Unlike the Z Fold, which has one hinge, the TriFold has 2 folding points, meaning it can transform into 3 usable screens. When it's fully opened, you're basically holding a 10-inch display, the size of a compact tablet, right in your hands. Imagine scrolling, gaming, or working on that much screen space without carrying a separate tablet. That's the dream Samsung is chasing. But it's not just about size. Samsung has designed the TriFold to be smarter with seamless app transitions. Let's say you open YouTube on the outer screen, then unfold the device. Your video keeps playing instantly on the big display. No lag, no restarting. This kind of fluid experience could be a game changer for multitaskers. And speaking of multitasking, the TriFold takes it to the next level. You'll be able to run multiple apps side by side, drag them around and resize them just like Windows on a computer. Samsung already nailed this with the Fold series, but with all that extra space, the TriFold makes productivity feel almost laptop-like. Now here's where things get futuristic. Leaks show Galaxy AI running on the TriFold and it looks stunning. When you summon AI inside Samsung's browser, it takes up half the screen while the web page still feels roomy. Or you can float Galaxy AI in a small window while browsing, which makes multitasking smoother than ever. Even calls are getting smarter. If you're on a phone call with the TriFold unfolded, the call screen becomes a floating window, letting you check emails, browse, or open other apps without interruption. Small details like this are what make the TriFold feel futuristic. And of course, no Samsung flagship would be complete without camera innovation. Rumors suggest the TriFold's telephoto lens could zoom up to 100x with AI enhancements, something even the Z Fold 7 doesn't offer. Plus, because of the foldable design, you can use the main rear cameras as selfie cameras, giving you ultra-sharp selfies and high-quality video calls. For mobile photography fans, this might be a dream setup. Let's not forget Samsung DeX, the feature that turns your phone into a desktop-like experience when connected to a monitor. With the TriFold's massive screen, DeX could feel more natural than ever, letting you handle documents, presentations, or emails as if you were using a small laptop. Now here's the catch. The Galaxy TriFold is rumored to cost around $3,000. That's nearly double the price of most flagship phones. But Samsung isn't pitching this as just a phone. They're positioning it as a phone and tablet replacement in one device. If you look at it that way, the high price starts to make a little more sense. This is more than just an upgrade. It's a reimagining of the smartphone. Ever since Samsung launched the first Fold back in 2019, foldables have been redefining the market. And with the TriFold, Samsung is pushing the limits of what a phone can be. So here's the big question. Would you spend $3,000 on the Galaxy TriFold, or would you stick with the Z Fold 7 or a standard flagship? One thing's for sure. Samsung is once again proving it's willing to take risks and lead the charge in smartphone innovation. Because at the end of the day, the TriFold isn't just about making phones bigger. It's about imagining the future of mobile tech.